Happy morning, children. Today we will start with practice set 12.1, question number 2, sixth sum. First 5 sums we have already done. Now, sixth sum I am going to solve. See here, the first step will be we will equalize the denominator. Here, denominator is 7 and 3. For that, we have to first write multiples of 7 and multiples of 3 and find least common multiple. So, for multiples of 7 means 7 stable you have to write. Multiples of 3 stable you have to write. And find the least common. Least means smallest. Common multiple. So, which one it will be? So, now 7 is here. Here there is no 7. 14. 14 is also not there. 21. Yes. So, 21 is the least common multiple. So, LCM is 21. Now we have to equalize the denominator. Now 7 is given. So what I'll do now? Y upon 7. Now I want 21. So I will multiply 7 by 3. So I have to multiply numerator also by 3. So that 3 and 3 is cancelled. The original fraction remains the same. Plus y minus 4 upon now 3 is given. Least common multiple is 21. So we are equalizing the denominator. We want 21. 3 is already given. So I have to multiply by 7. 3 sevens are. So now I have to put here a bracket into 7. Okay, this way you have to equalize the denominator. Now then 3y upon 21 plus. Now here into 7 is given. So you can write it like this, 7 into y. 7 into y is 7y minus 7 4s are 28 upon 7 3s are 21 is equal to 2. Now 21 we have got, denominator is equal. So what we will do? We will write it only once. 21. 3y plus 7y minus 28 is equal to 2. Now 3y plus 7y is 10y. 10y minus 28 upon 21 is equal to 2. Here denominator is 1. Now cross multiply. So you will get 10y minus 28 is equal to 20 into 1. Cross multiply will be the same. Whatever this numerator we are having, 10y minus 28, we will write it as it is. Into 1 will be this only. Now 21 into 2 is equal to 21 2s are 42. So now I will take minus 28 to RHS. Then I will get 10y is equal to 42. Minus sign will become plus because this is to left hand side of the equation. We are taking it to RHS. So it's going to become plus 28. So 42 plus 28 is 70. So 10y is equal to 70. Now 10y means 10 into y is equal to 70. And we can write it as y into 10 is equal to 70. So y is equal to 7. Now this is into 10. Take it to RHS. Multiplication, it will become division. 70 divided by 10. Into 10 divided by 10. So here this is y only. So you will have y is equal to 7. Here it looks like minus, so I have just done it like this. So this sum is easy. I think you have understood. Now we will take the next sum, question number 7. That is 13x minus 5 is equal to 3 upon 2. This we have to solve now. So very simple again. Here there is denominator, there is 1. Cross multiply. You will get 13x minus 5 into 2 is equal to 3 into 1 is 3. Then you will have 13 into 2. See, like this formula you will have studied in lower classes. A minus B into C is equal to A into C minus B into C. Same way you have to do, which is equal to, now 13x into 2 will be 26x minus 5 2s are 10 is equal to 3. So 26x is equal to, this you take it to RHS. So we will have plus 10. Minus 10 will become plus 10 because we are changing the sides. So 26x is equal to 13. So x is equal to 13 upon 26. Now 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. So the x value is half, 1 by 2. Now let us solve 8th sum. Here 3, again same formula. See, like this, a into b plus c. In 8th standard you are learning this, but in 6th standard also you will had this properties, a into b plus a into c. So 3 into, bracket means multiplication. So 3 into y plus 8 is 3 into y plus 3 into 8, which is equal to, now directly also you can write 10 into y, 10y minus 10 into 4, 40 plus 8. Like this also you can write 3 into y, 3y plus 24 is equal to 10y. Now here 10y. Now minus 40 plus 8. The signs are different. So you will do subtraction. So minus 40 plus 8 will be minus 32. Greater number sign you have to put. Now here no sign means plus. So plus 10y you take it to LHS. You will get 3y minus 10y. Okay. Plus 24. If you want, you write it here only, plus 24 is equal to, now 10y you have taken it to LHS. So plus 10y has become minus 10y. Now this minus 32 is to RHS. Keep it here only. Okay, now 3y minus 10y, here no sign means plus. Again different signs for both the terms. So do subtraction and put greater number sign. 10 is greater. What sign is then in front of it? Minus. So you put minus 7y is equal to, plus 24 you take it to RHS. These are called as constants. We are taking it to RHS. And the terms involving variable we are keeping it to LHS. So minus 24 minus 7y is equal to, now here same sign, add. Same sign means add, means these numbers are to the left hand side and we are moving forward, like that it is. To the left of 0 we are having all negative numbers, but still we are moving forward, so we are adding it. Add and put the same sign. So minus 32 minus 24 is minus 56. So we will get minus, here we will take y like this, is equal to minus 56 upon here minus 7. Now you all know minus into minus is plus. So minus divided by minus, here it is also plus. So you will get y is equal to 7 8s are 56. So the value of y is 8. Now let us solve 9th sum. This one is also very easy. You have to just cross multiply. So x minus 9 into 7 is equal to 5 into x minus 5. Now again same way. What you will do? 7 into x is 7x minus 9 7s are 63 is equal to 5 into x is 5x. This minus you will write 5 5s are 25. Earlier example only I showed you all how it works. A into b plus c is a into b plus a into c. This formula only we are applying. Like for example this a into b minus c is what? A into b minus a into c. So for this I am applying this formula. This also the same way. Into 7. 7 into also we can write. 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. So 7 is here or we are writing it here. It doesn't matter because it is into 7. So 7 into x is 7x. This minus 9 sevens are 63. Same method we are applying. Now here, what we will do now, the terms involving the variable x, we will take it to LHS. First we will take the terms. So first 7x is already to left hand side. Left hand side means before equal to whatever terms are there, they are to LHS. So I have written here. Now this is to RHS, 5x and minus 25. So plus 5x I am taking it to LHS. So plus 5x will become minus 5x, which is equal to, now minus 25 minus 63, you take it to RHS, you will get plus 63. So 7x minus 5x, here no sign means plus, different sign, subtract, put the sign of greater number, you will get 20x, you will get 2x, and minus 25 plus 63 will be 38. You should do subtraction and put the sign of greater number. Before 63 what sign is there? Plus. So this will be plus. No need to write plus here. Okay. So x is equal to 38 upon 2. Now directly you can write. Now you understood. 2x means 2 into x. Then x into 2. No need to write now if you have understood it. And numerator here multiplication is given. So after equal to it is division. Upon means it is division only. So you will get x is equal to 19. This way you have to solve. Now let us solve the 10th sum. In the 10th sum, if you see, here in the denominator there is 1 given. So we need to simplify it. So what we will do, instead of equalizing the denominator, because there is 1 given, we will multiply both the sides by 3. So this 3, if you multiply 3 and 3 will be cancelled. And you will, in the denominator, you will not have any number. That will be the easier method for this example. So I'll write. So I have written here, multiply both the sides by 3. So y minus 4 upon 3 into 3. 3y into 3 is equal to 4 into 3. Now this 3 will be cancelled. And I will have y minus 4 plus 3y into 3 will be 3 3s are 9. I'll get 9y is equal to 12. Now y plus 9y. You can add here 1y plus 9y will be 10y minus 4 is equal to 12. So I can write 10y minus 12, you take it to RHS. You will get 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. So you will get 10y is equal to 16 and y is equal to 16 upon 10. Now 16 upon 10 you can reduce it to lowest form. 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. See this, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. This way you can reduce it to the lowest form. 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10. So your y value will be 8 upon 5. Now let's solve 7th question. Here in the denominator there is 1. So if we cross multiply, we will get b plus 1 plus b plus 2 is equal to 21 into 4. 21 into 4. We have just cross multiplied. Now here b and b, all the like terms we will write first. b plus b plus this constant 1 plus 2, which is equal to, now 21 into 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, is 84. Now b plus b is 3b plus 3 is equal to 84. Now what we will do, 3b, this constant we will take it to RHS. 84 plus 3 will become minus 3. Now 84 minus 3 is 81. So we will write 3b is equal to 81 and b is equal to 81 upon 3. So b is equal to 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. So the value of b is 27. With that we have completed this exercise with all the examples have been solved.